The Radical Shift signature program is kind of our pièce de résistance. It's got a full-on service level, giving people tools at every level of their being: mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual. There's 3 components to this program. It begins with a day and a half, immersive, small group, going through a series of powerful experiential exercises. The second is 6 follow-up 1.5-hour group meetings every other week with the same group that you just went through the day and a half with. And those group meetings are to further the learnings, to integrate the experiences and the ahas that have come up for everybody, and to take the time to really work on the scripts and record and listen to all 3 of the brain retraining videos. And then that is, of course, the third part of a Radical Shift, is the 3 custom brain retraining videos. The Essential Child video, which is meant to bring in new nurturing messages from when you were a child to replace some of the old, harder ones. The redefinitions to redefine core concepts that don't fit with your essential self anymore. And the Essential Life, which is to have a look at what your life would be like on all levels if you were living through your essential self. Just to give you an idea, during the day and a half that we're together, we do some experiential exercises that really help people hone in on what is most valuable, most important to them, and who they initially were in the world. We do a very unique core values exercise that actually move a person to answer from a different place other than their mind. So we're getting to their heart and their soul in these questions. And these would give them then their core values, the values that you even have as a child. We also work on narratives, things we've heard in the past that become blocks for us. We talk about the essential child and what it really means, and ways in which we move people out of their mind and into their heart and their soul. But one of the biggest components of the signature program, the things that people mention the most, is the connection between the group members. After the group, they say, I can't believe how we all are so different. We're different ages, we've had different experiences, we're in different places in our lives, but somehow we all have the commonalities of these things that we've been taught about who we are not and how we're trying to work through them to have a more joyful and peaceful life. If you're interested in a Radical Shift signature program, please just click the link below to get started. Hope to hear from you soon.